Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you a strategy in the meme coin space that almost everyone is completely overlooking. The truth is the easiest way to make money with meme coins has absolutely nothing to do with trading them. It has everything to do with creating them instead. While traders are out here buying coins and getting wrecked, we are launching meme coins over and over again, printing thousands of dollars on each launch from creator fees and our own supply. This is exactly why them meme coins. In this video I'm going to show you my exact strategy and everything will be done live on camera. I do not sell a course, I'm not here to gatekeep. If you're tired of losing money, this video is for you. Let's go. So guys, let me show you a sad reality about the meme coins. The market right now is really dead. You can't trade no more meme coins because it's like trash. Let's see some of the recent on the pump fund. Zero fraction. Go to the migrated one. Boom. As you can see, rug pull. That's what happened right now. That's why I stopped the trading. I'm using the new technique right now. All I do is damn them instead. Because if you trade the meme coin, look, you can buy here, you're buying, and then the creator just dumping you and you lost all your money. And that's why I switched to creating coin instead. Now I'm the one controlling the charts. I am the one launching the coins and benefiting from all the buyers and then just making thousands of bucks just by setting my supply from the very top. I do that over and over again and I launch as many times as I want to build up my portfolio. I will show And yeah, by the way, I just want to be clear that I don't condone any financial advice and it's all for educational purposes only. So guys, this is the launchpad I'm using to launch my meme coins on Raydium. It has just the lowest fees, that's why I'm using it. Let's start just with like 1.1 Solana. I think that's enough for the first launch. I already created a coin. As you can see, I generated it in AI. Some pretty decent idea. Let's just take first connect the wallet. Oh, also guys, be careful. Just make sure it's a official phantom. So it's not drainer. It's official. That's how official looking like. So connecting it here, connect. Let's just put the name here now, the ticker, and also drag here a logo. Next, description. That's good. I love AI. Just make sure to delete this. Let's go next. So right now we can put our website, Twitter, Discord or Telegram. I actually skip this all the time because it's like not giving any benefits. So let's just skip it. Then revoke authorities. Make sure you enable all of this. When it's purple, it's enabled. Just don't turn off anything because nobody will buy a token. It's like detect of the rug. So let's just press create token. Proceed. Always, yeah, there will be a warning, but that's okay. Yes, confirm. Loading metadata. Just wait for it. It can take a couple of seconds. Boom. Nice, our token is created. Let's just check on SourceCon first to verify that everything is okay. Wait, F5. As you can see, current supply, we have 1 billion of supply actually. Authorities, all authorities are minted. It's good. Actually, yeah, all good. We can just start. Yeah, already the name. So what we need to do next? We need to add a liquidity. Let's go to the create liquidity tab. Make sure your wallet is connected. Just wait a little bit. So it's, yep, our wallet is already here. Let's see how much I have left. So I have like 1.5 left. Always put 90% here for amount token A. The supply, this is just default settings. Don't press max, I don't recommend it. I always do 90. Then for the amount sold for token B, I usually max out this. You need to put like something from below 1.3 to 1 Solana is the perfect settings. For this launch I'll put, let's put 0.4. No, let's actually put 0.3 because I need 0.1 to remove the liquidity. So let's just save. So boom, nice. Charts already on. Somebody's selling already. Oh, token pumping a little bit. That's okay. Liquidity is the main thing that you need to look at. Whoa, token is pumping really good. Maybe somebody liked the idea. Oh no, they selling now. But that's okay, just wait. That's probably was bots. Bots already buying first. Faster than the people. Actually, I think I need to make like 400 bucks from this launch. Let's just wait now. So guys, chart is really growing right now. I'm actually thinking about dragging it. Look, we already are by 400. Yeah, I think it's time because like it's slowing down a bit. Let's just go back to this Plix, press this minus button, drag it to 100%. It's basically we remove all that we have, that 90%. Boom, 0.1 Solana fee. Bam, nice. We rocked our coin. Let's check Phantom Wallet to see how much we make. And we make, boom, nice, 5 Solana. I actually think that's a quite good reason, quite good profits from 1.1. That's not cap, as you can see, like everything is successfully. I show it live for you. So guys, make sure to follow. That's exactly how I make money from creating coins. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet, 400 in profits, that is not bad. That's 400 in our pocket from creating coins. All for educational purposes only, of course. Now it's up to you guys to launch your own coins, stay consistent, and have fun with it. And by the way, bro, Splix, that fun will be linked down below, bro. Peace out.